Lahat.
Okay, so today we are going to do a vlog and about yun sa aking di ko magtaas digdig. Keep your privacy in your own hands. Hi! Yes, so today I will be introducing to you all my sponsors. Sponsors! Hoy, dumigdi ka. Huh? I-sponsor kita kasi ikaw yung nag-sponsor ng video na ito. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako sisikat. Nahalta ko lang, ito kong isang ngipin, oy, just, nahalta ko lang, ito kong ngipin ko, ito. Medyo mahaba ito kaysa dito. Uy, usog na. Bi, maulog ako. Oy, higaan ko to, ba't ka kasi nandito?
Usog lang. Para magkasama tayong sisters love.
Ay, tingnan mo nga, yung ngipin ko, mas mahaba to kaysa dito.
Ano?
Mas mahaba to, Ito, di ba, nahalta mo, ito. Mas mahaba ito kaysa dito.
Ito, gold.
Sino sa atin ang may face card? Hello, magkikita na naman din natin kasi hindi ko naman alam kung mga bakit kasi sila, like, kapag ganito ng oras, saka sila magpupunta doon, tapos bigla sila magpapakita. Pero wala naman sila noon. Tapos hindi naman sila nagpapakita, hindi naman sila nagpaparamdam. Pero pag ngayon, na hindi naman tayo nakakaayos, nakakaramdam sila, hindi mo na naman nakakaramdam sa indaw. I'm super shy. Don't tutok na camera. Ba't lagi kang umingiti? Ano bang meron? Kaya pag may camera, like, puro ka lang nakangiti. Yeah. Tigarog ko lang ka. Pagka na like may camera. Tigarog na ka lang para palas tayo. Like, wow, alag si Alan. Ay, ano ba? Getso. Ito, okay. You go by yourself. Kasi hindi mo alam ang law ng Philippines. Law, the Regulation Act of 1991,300,000 million is to keep away from your sister Jacel. That is part of the law. You thought you're funny. You think you're funny. Yeah. So guys, may challenge po kami na gagawin ngayon na video namin. And we are only speaking English in this video, and we are only talking to each other in English form. Form.
English halata.
English. So the timer starts now.
Yeah.
So we are going to make conversation.
Interview.
What is the essence of being a woman?
The essence?
Yes. Yes. Can you answer that? Alam ko, nagsabi ka na kanina, hindi ko lang napansin.
Hindi ngayon
sabi mo basta, sabi mo.
Hindi mo nagsabi ang ano?
Ay, hindi ko nagsabi. Basta lang.
Hindi ko ba yung
Hindi naman. Kasi kaya Tagalog ka na, kaya wala pong timer do. Ikaw yung first na nag-break yung rules. time starts now.
My dream is to become a veterinarian because I want to.
So you just want to be a veterinarian with no
Yes.
reasons at all?
Cause I want to take care of the animals
Yes.
in the earth. And
You just want to take care of them?
yes. But that doesn't mean that you need to become a veterinarian to care for animals. You don't need a title. Yeah. You don't have to, no, you don't have to have a specific title to take care of animals.
So you want to be a veterinarian in the future, but you cannot take care of your pet now. You do not even need. You do not even take good care, and you don't even go fetch some food.
Because that is your task in this house. That's
Yes,
your-
my house, not your house. So you go ask
But-
me. So you go ask me questions because you have a lot of
okay.
questions.
What is ay nagsabi ako. What is your dream job?
Housewife.
Oh,
So my biggest dream is to become a lovely wife. Ay, wow, nag-pool tayo. O, patingin na nagpo-pool tayo. Wow, the quality is so good. Pwede daw.
watch it.
Ano ba yun? Hindi ko pa nakulong. Eh! Ay, talaga ni. That's a real masterpiece. Ano ka? Ayan talaga. Oh, diba yun? Ang galing.
Pwede daw ka